네? 디젤이. 카메라.
카메라 있어.
Daytime running light. Wow. Two-tone alloy wheel. You have the 4-eye sensors. This extra light you can buy aftermarket. This one is not carbon fiber, it's just patterned that way. Oh, you have the muffler. Oh. The trunk is open. Control, very tight. Just pull it for the cup holder. So when you have the lights, oh, this is cool. It's a very small light. But you can still see something. Normal. Oh, this one turns on everything. Wow, amazing. Look at this. Everything turns on. So cool. Let's head to the back. It's a horizontal type of fence. Plastic. Piano black mat. This is a place where you can hold something. You have USB ports. Some places to put something. Windows. So if you have the 4x4 trim, you will have a 4x4 button here with the lock differential and hill descent assist. Look how nice the seats are. Let's go to the back seat. Okay, as you can see, you have the vents here, but before you get to the vents, you have the seats that you can push front and back. Here, you can play something. So you can just sit down. You have the reading lights. You have aircon vents, the control. You have aircon vents here again. So when you press this, you pull it down, then you have this monitor. Probably there's a remote. That's a sensor. Then the handle. Then this one, the handle for you to climb in better. You have airbags. Terra has curtain airbags for your information. Then again, cup holders. It's also in leather. Someone left it here. So you have the air vents again, which move 360 degrees, and also left and right. So nice headliner. You can feel it's just the fabric. This plastic here, the chrome, but you have leather here, which feels quite nice. Comfy area. Let's go to the back. Step forward. There's the camera. The open button is here. Okay. So we're here at the back. You can hang something here. You can also hang something here. You can also do something here. You can also have something here. And you're here at the back. You can control this up and down. And when you pull this, I think when you pull this, it comes up. So the way you can pull this down is, and you can also have a sticky portion over there. You have power, vents, you can just place some stuff in here. And then I think the way you can pull this is by this one. But there must be an easier way to do it. I just cannot figure out how. Place that way. So it doesn't have a power tailgate system. And then earlier I told you how to open it, right? There are two buttons here, and here. I wonder what this does. This must do something. Oh, that's the button to open when the door is locked with the smart key. Nice. It's the VL version, 4x2. It's the coil springs. Then you have the spare tire here. Plastic. Nice two-tone alloy wheel with the step board. Looks nice. Okay, this is the passenger side. Yep, you have this handle for you to climb up. Only the driver's seat has power seats with lumbar support. There it is. So have that. You also have airbag here. You have the 360 degree. You have the warning, it will illuminate. And then you have the turn signal. This is how you open it when you have the smart key. Let's get back to the driver's side, which has the power seat, front, back, down, up, left, back, forward, and the lumbar support. See how fat it gets, and you see how fat this one gets. So amazing. So as of now, this car doesn't have the floor mats, but they will give. The front wheels, your PSI is 35 recommended. So let's see the car with the daytime running light. You have the front camera here as well. Nice. Looks guapo. The front, so this. So the engine looks like Mitsubishi Montero. Their sister companies. The 2.5 liter engine. It has this one, which is nice. It's a vehicle emission control information. Okay. Let's turn it on. Here's the other camera. How is the EL version different from the VL version? First of all, it doesn't have a smart entry, doesn't have the 360-degree camera, doesn't have the signal light, it just has a single color, single tone alloy wheel, and it doesn't have a daytime running light, and it doesn't have a front camera. So how is it different in the inside? Okay, there are no leather, just fabric. It's plastic everywhere. It's missing the button here, and it doesn't also have the auto folding of side mirror. And then the room mirror looks very different, and then it doesn't have the intelligent mobility room mirror. That's a manual air condition. This portion doesn't look the same, doesn't have any steering wheel controls, but it still has the auto function anyway, which is cool. And let's see if it also has the light. Oh, see. Okay. Then it doesn't have the power, but it still supports the auto flip over for the second row. It only has one USB port instead of two. This one's just the same. This one is shorter. I think it's shorter. Let's see. Oh, it looks the same. On the second row. You need some power, you need to do some lifting to do this. Wow. That's the same kind of opening? Oh yeah, see. This car is already bastardized. It's EL, folks. Careful when you buy your cars. Okay. But it has the 4i thing anyway. Let's look at the back. Maybe low back. Okay, it won't open. Cars are really nice. Do you prefer this or this?